Alright guys, so welcome back to my YouTube channel. So guys guys, pardon me this period. I've been really busy, so I'm not really have that time this period to shoot any video. I don't know if you observe, for like a month now I'm not dropping any video, so I've just been busy with work and other stuff. So, and if you even look at the time I'm even dropping, this is on the 6th of March. This video is supposed to come outside February 28th, but pardon me guys, I got you guys. So guys, you know what time it is. So back to our monthly review. How did it go? So in this video, what I'm just going to be doing in this video, I'm going to be using one stone to kill two birds in this video. So firstly, I'm going to show you guys the results for February. February was very, very slow, not that really too good, but at least we were able to see something from it. Then back to analysis. But meanwhile, let me show you guys my MT5, so you should see what's going on. So you guys see what's going on. So this is my MT5. So let me go to history. You are seeing we are 80 stop loss in this period. I don't know this Q1. Q1 is very, very. Go to custom. February 1st to 28th. So this is our February. We just took how many trade? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So we took 7 trade, 2 TPs, 2 TPs, 2 stop loss and 2 break even. So February we were able to make about 127, but the account is still in drawdown. It's still in drawdown because we have been hitting losses back to back this period. So if we go down to, let's just say that 6 months now, you see. So the account is still a drawdown. So early this March, man, you see this week this week is not funny. So it is what it is, but I'm going to show you guys the result later on. We still have a lot of time, so let's see what we can do between now to the end of the month. But one thing about me is that I'm always focusing on the next opportunity, because in Forex there's always profit and loss. That's just the game. So my focus is always on the next opportunity. Once I hit stop loss on this one, I try to look for, okay, why I hit stop loss, why did price come to this area. If I could figure out anything, I figure. If I could not figure out anything, I leave it onto the next. That's trading, pass like that. But one thing that's always going to keep save you here is your risk management. If you don't have a good risk management, you see now I'm hitting stop losses in this account. You see, since when I got this account, I've been hitting stop losses. This is my funded account. For those of you who are watching me for the very first time, this is my funded 5K account. So I've already passed phase 1, passed phase 2 already with last year. Since this year now, I've just been struggling with the account. But it is what it is. So if you observe that, you see that the losses that I have in this account now for this Q1 is more than the profit. Like if you are seeing the losses now, you see that stop loss is just much. But you see that the profit I'm always having, they're always big. You see 120, you see 83, you see 46, you see 61, and you see 81. But you see my losses now, you see times 20, 20 something, 9, times 20, 20 something, and 14. So it is what it is. So guys, you know what time it is? Me, I cannot kill myself. In my other life account, my other small account, I was able to withdraw at least about small $40 in my small account. And I observed something that is not the old trade I take in this big account, I take in that small account. And unfortunately for me, the trade I will take in that small account, they will give me money. But the rest I will take in the big account, they will be hitting my stop loss. So, but it's just the game, man. A lot of things, I'm not gonna lie. A lot of things. But the most important thing is just you always keep showing up, be consistent with what you're doing, and still focus on what you're doing. Regardless, if you lose this one, move on to the next opportunity. So we are used to losing money, and you see the way we are used to losing money, that's how we will also be used to making more money later in the future by God's grace. It's not that money is not coming out from the Forex, but it's just struggling. So back on the game. So now, as you can see on your screen, this is a AUD/USD. So I'm just going to give you guys some Q-top analysis, what we are going to be expecting from this market. So AUD/USD, all of this space for now, I'm not going to lie, structure is very, very confusing this period. Structure is very, very confusing. Very, very confusing. So I don't know either to buy or sell. I don't know. I'm looking to buy, but it's not having a clear direction yet. So let me go to GBP USD. GBP USD. For GBP USD, I was anticipating to want to buy from this place before. I used stop loss on this trade. This is where I bought before, and price just came down and collected my stop loss. And I don't know, if you go to daily time frame, you see that this market is actually bullish. This market is going up now. This market is going up. This market is going up. This market is not coming down. This market is going up. So I don't know what's going on this Q1. I seriously don't know what's going on this Q1. To buy and to sell, yeah, I'm confused. I don't know what to do. I'm just looking at price action. The same thing with Euro USD. I was anticipating to want to buy from here. Boom, stop loss hit. But if you look at this market, they are taking out the buy side liquidity. Look at break of structure. Look at break of structure. This is the low that caused this break here. I don't know. I don't know. Same thing with USD. For good, but I'm seeing opportunity in gold. So let me show you guys. We go down to lower time frame. Let's go to 4 hours time frame. You will see that in gold, I'm anticipating to want to buy from this area from here. So I'm expecting price to sweep everybody and mitigate here. Then before we push to the upside. So this is my anticipation for gold. So if we go down to silver the same thing. To push down to this low around here. I will move up. We have a break of structure from here. Break of structure from here. So this low now automatically turns the liquidity that we are watching out for. So here now turns the liquidity. This is not the other block. So this is what I'm expecting for silver. For BTC, I don't know. To buy and sell, I don't know what's happening here. I just left the structure. The AED I'm currently making money on this one. You guys saw it just now. So this one is I think I called this signal in the group chat. So if you're not there, I don't know, but I called this trade on the group chat. So we are holding it. The sale is going to be very, very long. If you go down to the 8 time frame, you see price is down. It's coming down trend. So this was my POI to sell this price. So this is where I'm going to be selling it to this place. So I'm expecting price to change character first. Once price takes out this low, let's go to about 18 minutes, 18 time frame or 16 hour time frame. Once price take out this low, change of character has occurred. So I'll now be looking for more opportunity to scale up again. So it is what it is. Once price takes out this low, so we have something like this pulling back to around here again. I will say again from this place around this other block from here, then push it to the downside. So that's my plan for that. And Euro CHF, the same thing. All these ones they're not dropping. More, it is what it is. They're back to USD card. I'm anticipating price to get to this area first before I will say. This is my anticipation for USD card. If you look at it, it's on a downtrend. So price is on a downtrend. So I'm expecting price to get here first before I will say. Same thing with USD CHF. I am anticipating for price to get to this area before I will sell. Price is going to come like this, then we'll buy to sell. That's my anticipation. For USD CHF. So all this AED-JPY, this is my PUI for AED-JPY. Same thing. We have a very good break of structure, break and liquidity low. So price pulling back to this place and continue to the upper side of the market. So the same thing with USD-JPY, GBP-JPY. All of these ones I'm confused. GBP-JPY, I was expecting price to take this low first and tap me here before buy, but it's pushing up. No wala, we leave you. Then CHF-JPY, the same thing for CHF-JPY. So this is not a good break of structure. So now what I'm expecting price to just keep pushing to break this high, the data to come sweep everybody and mitigate them before pushing to the upside again. And before pushing to the upside again. So this is my POI for CHF-JPY. Meanwhile, IATP on this guy. So if you observe, then back to US30 is just doing its thing. US30 hit my stop loss on this low. So sellers are not in charge. So if you go down to weekly time frame, we'll see that price is bullish, but now it's not bearish. So I'm expecting price to drag everybody. Let's go to daily time frame. I'm expecting price to drag everybody to this low before we're gonna be bullish again. So they're down to US oil. US oil, I don't know. This one is just skyrocketing, I don't know what's happening here. So it is what it is. We will not have to wait for pullback before we start trading again. Or this pullback, I will trade the retracement. But let's see how it's gonna behave first before we start trading it. So guys, you know what time it is. This is Forex for you. So me, I cannot keep myself here. I will do the best I can do. I'll be active. So you know what time it is. I love you guys so much. Everybody should stay active. If you're not in the Telegram group, join the group chat so we can be having some 1 or 2 updates on how to swing trade, on how to make money. This is just the time for price to do its thing. We are going to bounce back. I'm telling you, we will bounce back. This period I'm going through a lot, but you will not know. I'm going through a lot this period, but you're not going to know. But I believe in myself. I know what we can do. Not just in myself, I believe in you guys watching me. All of us together, I know what we can do in this space. So let's be active. Let's be smart. Let's put our mindset on the game. Regardless of the losses, let's focus on the next opportunity. So guys, I love you guys so much. And pardon me guys for not always being active this period. I've been trying to build some personal stuff on my own, So time is gonna tell. So you know what time it is. I always see you guys at the top, and everybody should keep active like a chivita. You don't understand me? You're tired for you. They put for many talk. I always see you guys at the top, man. Peace out, man. One love. Cheese.